Here are 5 benefits of castor oil for fertility therapy. Welcome to my video today. I am thrilled to share with you one of my favorite recommendations for supporting reproductive health, the use of castor oil packs. Castor oil packs are a fantastic self-care tool that can significantly enhance uterine health, fallopian tube health, ovarian health, liver health, and digestive care. So to get started, let's first talk a little bit about what castor oil packs are. So essentially, a castor oil pack involves the application of a therapeutic castor oil, and you put this onto a cloth. When this cloth is then placed over an area of the body that you wish to support with the castor oil therapy. So in terms of reproductive health, it's typically placed over the lower abdomen or over the liver area. The beauty of this treatment is that it allows the castor oil to be absorbed and penetrate deeply into the area that it's placed, providing targeted support. Now, you might be wondering about the specific supportive effects of castor oil packs. So let's discuss that next. Castor oil packs have been used for their ability to soothe inflammation, boost circulation, and promote healing in the tissues they come into contact with for centuries. For reproductive health specifically, this can translate to enhanced uterine, ovarian, and fallopian tube health, as well as improved liver and digestive function. There are 5 primary benefits for using castor oil packs for fertility. Castor oil has the power to enhance circulation to the reproductive system. This increased blood flow helps bring fresh, oxygen-rich, and nutrient-filled blood to the region while also aiding in detoxification and cleansing. This is especially great for those who are dealing with uterine fibroids, endometriosis, heavy or light periods, or those who want to enhance their egg health. Castor oil promotes lymphatic draining, one of the body's primary detoxification systems. And castor oil is one of the few external therapies that can actually stimulate the lymphatic system to drain, which is exceptionally beneficial in reducing inflammation, aiding with detoxification, and supporting overall reproductive health. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil have been shown to help alleviate inflammation in areas where it's applied. So considering many fertility issues such as PCOS, endometriosis, uterine fibroids, failed repeated IVFs, these are all linked to high inflammatory markers. By reducing inflammation, we are definitely undoubtedly helping the body along the way to help to improve reproductive health. Another impressive feature of castor oil packs is the ability to alleviate discomfort and pain. Castor oil accomplishes this through a compound that reduces pain-causing prostaglandins and increases pain-reducing prostaglandins. This is beneficial especially for those experiencing endometriosis or uncomfortable periods. Finally, castor oil packs serve as a calming self-care tool that soothes the nervous system. Now let's look at how to apply a therapeutic castor oil pack with our recommended Womb Care Therapeutic Castor Oil Kit. So first, you're going to want to start with a therapeutic castor oil. So what makes a castor oil therapeutic? So first you want to start with a castor oil that's organic and that's been stored in glass and has therapeutic essential oils included in the formula. The Womb Care Therapeutic Castor Oil is a castor oil that I have formulated that combines the highest quality organic castor oil with therapeutic grade essential oils. This formula is designed specifically to help support womb care as well as support the liver if you're going to be applying your packs to the liver as well. Included in the castor oil kit is an organic cloth that you place the castor oil directly on. Then you place this over the womb area of your body or the liver area. And then you use the organic wrap that you put on top of that allows you to do your castor oil pack while you're going on about your day. So you no longer have to lay down and put a castor oil pack on and then put a piece of plastic over the top of that and then put a heat pack on top of that. You can just use our organic wrap and then you wear that under your clothes and you can wear it wherever you go and you can run your errands wearing it. I like to do my Womb Care castor oil packs in the evening and I'll wear them while I'm out walking my dogs. What the wrap does is it traps your body's heat and that serves as your heat source. So it's your own body's heat that's allowing the castor oil to penetrate deeper. When it comes to castor oil packs, I know that you're going to ask me a couple of different questions, such as how long and how often. So I suggest 30 minutes to an hour and 3 to 4 times minimum per week. You can do them overnight if you'd like, especially those who might be experiencing endometriosis, ovarian cysts, uterine fibroids, or something where you want to have the pack on longer. That is perfectly fine. But for general benefits, you can have it on for at least 30 minutes and you'll be good to go. If you'd like to learn more about Womb Care Therapeutic Castor Oil Packs, make sure to visit the link that I put down below where you can find a workshop and lots of information about the kit and how you can use Womb Care Therapeutic Castor Oil Packs to help support yourself.